I wouldn't buy it again, nor would I order it by the glass in a restaurant. Hey, we're checking in on another wine. See if I agree with the good folks at Vivino, or the members of Vivino. They gave this wine a 3.6, which kind of equates to an 85 to 87 on the traditional 100-point scale. Let's see if I agree. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And today we are tasting the 2024 Cantina Santa Maria La Palma Aragosta Vermentino di Sardegna. So now, Vermentino is a wine from France and Italy that I really, really love. And it's one of my favorite white grapes, especially that lighter variety. Something that where people would traditionally gravitate towards a Sauvignon Blanc. I love Vermentino more. Now, I've never had this wine before. If you're familiar with Vermentino and some of the history on this channel, I've extolled the virtues of the Costa Molino Argiolis Vermentino di Sardegna. Just a fantastic wine, usually around the $20 mark, that always over delivers. But let's see what this one brings to the table. I mean, there, with the lobster on the front, the lobster on the label. You see it on the shelf, you buy it, right? I happen to, and I've seen this on wine lists. I've never really partaken, but I saw it on the shelf, and I was like, all right, let's give it a try. Now, what's interesting to note, and I don't know if you can kind of see it, but this wine has a bit of a green tinge, a very light green tinge in the bottle. Don't know if that's going to give us some herbal notes, just suggesting that based on the color. But let's see what we get. Ooh, it's I'm getting that circus peanut note, right? So this is like there's a banana, a sugary banana essence here. It smells fuzzy. It's a textural thing. Like, I feel like there's some weight to this wine. It almost smells like that banana is fuzzy, which would be a really bad thing, but that's what's in my head. Getting a little bit of a creamy note, not necessarily butter or vanilla, but cream. And a smidge of cut grass. So this has a lot of parallels to Sauvignon Blanc. I think Sauvignon Blanc lovers would enjoy this. I don't know. On the palate, there's not a lot of fruit. It's very, very, a lot of minerality on the palate. It kind of disappears pretty quickly. Alcohol snaps up and hits you pretty significantly. You can argue there are some citrusy notes with a little perfume. So there's almost a citrusy, perfumey note with a whole bunch of metal in there. A whole bunch of minerals, probably a better way to say it. It's a touch off balance. You want a wine to tell a story, and maybe, I guess, be able to tell a story, right? So fruit and minerals and, butter or whatever. This is not telling a story. There's too much. It's just out of balance. There's way too much minerality here, not enough fruit, and the alcohol is pretty strong. 13% alcohol by volume, which is pretty typical for this. So the crowd at Vivino says 3.6. That equates to an 85 to 87. If I were to rate this wine, I like it better than the Verdejo we did a few videos back, but not much more. This to me is about an 82. Let's go with 82. I wouldn't buy it again, nor would I order it by the glass in a restaurant. We sit here looking for alternatives to Sauvignon Blanc. Just drink the New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc. I'll see you soon, folks. Cheers. Hey, hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me.